I'm Chloe, I'm 16 and I'm learning acoustic guitar.
How long have you been playing your guitar?
About half a year.
So now we can apply everything that we've learned for almost 6 months. So we will work on the intro first of the song Country Road. Alright, 2, 3, and 4. Good, okay.
I think I struggle with that high note.
But at least your diaphragm or your vocal cords being challenged now, and that's very important.